The Air Force is changed. I see it in the multimeters. I feel it in the torque wrenches. I smell it in the isopropyl alcohol. Much of our free time is lost, for none now live who remember a simple testing cycle. It began with the forging of the great studying platforms. 3 were given to the pilots, wisest and most overfunded of all beings. 7 to aircraft maintenance, great turners of wrenches and drinkers of Monster. And 9 apps were gifted to the Personnelists, who above all else desire power. For within these programs was bound the strength to pass each SKT. But they were all of them deceived, for the PMEL-specific material was missing. Another app was made. In the land of Kadena, where the humidity reaches 100%, a Logistics NCOIC forged in secret a master program to best all others. And into this app, he poured his flashcards, his mock exams, and his will to improve all PMEL technicians. 33 kilo, one app to promote them all.